Okay, so this is a video on how to use the CSV click and drop export. We've gone to our sales and orders and we've selected the orders that we want to process. We've got one order from the US, one from UK, a couple of other UK ones and an EU one for France. So we can see the differences here. We may want to split this into batches. For instance, we might want to just order international items first and then UK and EU separated, however you want to process them. So here we're going to just put them all together and do them in one file. So we go to our actions, click and drop CSV and generate the file. We open that up in our favourite spreadsheet program. We're using LibreOffice, but you can use Excel or any other spreadsheet program that you want to use to edit this file. And here we have the contents. The order reference is the marketplace order reference, Discogs, eBay and Amazon. We've got a shipping service in here. This isn't actually required by click and drop, but this tells us what service was selected when the customer placed their order on our system. We've got a service code. OLP2 is for second class Royal Mail, International Standard. You can find the other code, any other codes that you need in your click and drop account under settings and shipping services. Here are your codes. So in this file we need to complete the package size and package weight. So small parcel would be the size for a normal vinyl record package. That's where all of these are. So we'll just copy and paste that through to all of them. We've gone and weighed all of our packages after they've been packed up, and on this occasion they're all 0.35. So this has to be in grams, so it's 350 grams, 0.35 kilograms. You can include save place and instructions if you want, but there's no need, that's optional. And the only other details that need to be completed in this file are for non-EU shipments, which would require a CN22. So we had one US shipment there, which is, where are we? Bottom one, United States. So if we had a large number of orders, we would probably split this out so that we did all of our international orders that required CN22s in one batch, and then our UK and EU orders in another batch. So for that particular US order, we need to add the product weight. So we've got a weighed out item, and that's 0.230 for one record. You'll notice here that for the EU order to go into France, that we have the IOSS number, and that is the IOSS number for eBay. If it was for through Discogs or Amazon, then the relevant IOSS number will be included in there already. So that's our CSV file edited and ready to upload to click and drop. We'll save that. Need to use the CSV format, and then we'll go over to click and drop and upload our file. So import orders from a spreadsheet, upload a file, and we'll grab the file from our local file system, drag it across and upload. there's our CSV file uploaded. On the first occasion that you upload a file to Click and Drop, none of these columns will be mapped, and you'll have to go through each individual one and map the file in our CSV file to the relevant column that's required by Click and Drop. You can see here that we've mapped all the required fields, and we mapped a total of 35 of 38 fields. There are a few columns in here that aren't specifically required or are optional. So there's our completed import ready to go, and so we can import our orders. So 6 orders have been imported. We can take a look at our batch, and then we're ready to pay and generate the labels. So you can just click that and generate all labels at the same time for all of those items. That will generate them into a PDF file which will be downloaded automatically after payment. We're not going to do that now, these are just test orders. If we take a look at our orders section here, we can see that we've got the orders that we've imported. They've all had the postage applied, so there's no need to go into each individual order separately and apply postage, weights, service, and that editing of any CN22 customs data. And that's it. We're ready to go with those and print them out and put them on the packages. And that's it. How to upload your CSV export to Click and Drop.